Bang! Welcome to Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. My name is Shamar Clark. Luck. There's going to be drinking, smoking, and swearing. If you don't like those things, leave now because here I come in 3, 2, 1. Bang! Welcome, guys. Luck. Take 2 on this motherfucker. I actually did this whole fucking show. Didn't tape it. All right, so we're going to do it again. Always on duty, motherfuckers. For real. So luck. Bang! We got 3 stories for you tonight. Binance, 3 cryptos, and you will be able to buy them with your credit cards. A Danish firm is to use IOTA. Tangle, and we're going to talk about IOTA. And the Nasdaq rolls out crypto surveillance for 7 cryptocurrency exchanges, and that's a big deal because they have the Nasdaq thing. Now I'm also going to talk to you about 2 other things, just as a side. So let's start. Man, and this is take 2, so I'm not going to get so deep into I had a good show. I just said it all, man. Bang, man. Fuck, man. That's a bitch. Luck. So, let's do it again. Top 10 of the day. Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, EOS, Tether, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Tron, Stellar, Bitcoin SV. All right. Let's look at the total market caps. Single digits down, single digits up, single digits down, single digits up, single digits down, single digits up, single digits down, and single digits up. Bang. All right, let's look who made money today. Fuck, man, I just did it. I'm not going to bullshit you. It was heartfelt, the one I just did. This one here, we're just going to go through the motions. Bang. Who's down? Bang. Revan, NEM, top 10 down. Revan, NEM, PundyX, Zilliqa, Power Ledger, Loop Ring, Made Safe Coin, Icon, Revan, and Pivx. Let's see who made money today. Shit, that's it. Is that right? Oh, that is right. All right then. Odom, Binance Coin, MobileGo, Augur, Digibyte, Zcoin, Status, Euros, Mixin, USD Coin, and True USD. All right. Let's look at total market cap of the day. $17.47 billion. Oh, wait. What? Oh, my bad. What am I talking about? Oh, yeah. All right. $112.4 billion. Let's just call that 112.5. And 17.48. So let's just call that 17.5 billion. All right. Let's go. All right, well, I did this show already, man, and I fucking preached, man, and I'm not going to do all that preaching again. So, luck, we're going to just get it over with now. Fuck, man, I had a good show for you guys, but luck, this is still going to be good because it's Shamari, so don't worry about it. But so, what do we know, guys? The CBOE, they're trying to get their exchange-traded fund. They have reapplied for it today. Now, what the problem is, man, I have a joint sitting right here, man. I should smoke. You guys, hold on. That's what you guys want? Oh, watch this shit. Fuck this, man. Man, I just did this show. All right. Look. Here you go, Bollywood. The Crypto Board of Exchange, CBOE, along with VanEck and financial services company SolidX, has reapplied with the U.S. SEC for a rule change to list a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund. VanEck Digital Assets Strategy Director Gabor Gubaks announced yesterday. So anyways, that's all there is to it. Like, they reapplied, all right? So we don't have to go through all this shit. You guys know it was applied last year, blah, 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 blah. And, it was denied and shit. All right. Bang. The Germans. Look. Germany's second largest stock exchange, Börse Stuttgart, launches crypto trading app. Now, we talked about the Germans. Now, I know this is a stupid little trading app, but remember we talked about the Germans. They're going to give us end-to-end solutions, they said. End-to-end trading, broker-dealer, insurance, custody, end to end. We are Germans. We do it better than you. We will give you everything you need. So that's how it goes. All right, so let's check it out. Look, if you're a cop on the watching this, you don't know if this is really weed or not. Look, Germany's second largest stock exchange, Bourse Stuttgart, will announce crypto trading at Bison in January 31st. So that's all I really wanted to say. Like, that's why you see it's not even highlighted. Here come the Germans, all right? Bang. Look, though. IOTA. Oh, my bad. The title. You see, things are going too fast right now. Things are going too fast. You know, I got to have some fog, some fuel and stuff and talk to the people. You see, that's what the bullshit this weed is, man. Like, it's just bullshit. All right. So I tried, man. Fuck all that. I'm not doing that. Danish State Energy Firm to examine IOTA's Tangle, because now all I want to do is go watch a movie or something. I don't even want to talk to you. I want to do this. All right, electricity supply chain, bang. IOTA, an Internet of Things system based on distributed ledger technology, has announced a partnership with Danish state-owned. Remember that. What I tell you about invest in partnerships that are with major corporations or major governments. That means major states. So they're going to partner with Danish's state-owned energy company, EnergyNet, with the hopes of exploring Tangle, the native technology of IOTA, towards an efficient electrical supply chain. EnergyNet has been exploring concepts of digital trust and distributed ledger technologies. The blog post reads, this is in tune with the aim of providing a more efficient green energy system. Anyway, they want to give green technology, blah, blah, blah. We're not going to get into all that shit. But IOTA is technically not a blockchain, but an open source digital ledger. Yeah. They run here it is right here. Terms often misconstrued. It combines the concept of blockchain and Internet of Things to form its own technology, the Tangle. I've told you guys, I've been sort of boasting about it lately around here. IOTA is the shit. They have what's called the Tangle. All right. You know, this weed's kicking in now. And look. And so let me tell you something about here. Let me tell you a little something. And so look. A blockchain, right? It has these problems of scalability and problems of speed and all this. Not IOTA. IOTA is infinitely scalable. Do you understand what that means? Infinite. I'm going to hit this weed again. Infinite. In fact, I'm going to tell you right now. When you put the more what do you call these things? Nodes. What do you call these devices? You put on IOTA, the faster it works. Yeah, the bigger IOTA or the Tangle, not IOTA, but the bigger the Tangle gets, the faster it works, the better it works. And you get to actually to a point where you have 0 fee transactions. And then you just keep rocking on from there. All right. So, but this isn't the first time that both companies would be working together. In November 2017, when IOTA was running running a data marketplace initiative, EnergyNet was a participant along with several industrial and IT companies. Now the EnergyNet has finished testing distributed identities. What? Identities. It wants to move to the application of IoT and electricity markets through the Tangle, blah, blah, blah. All right. Oh, there's all this much more. Hold on. Shit. However, it is expected that as the blockchain ecosystem matures, more partnerships will ensure between traditional businesses and startups when they develop proof of concepts that are practical, that actually work in the real world. That's why I preach to you guys. What do I always preach to you guys? Look, guys, fuck all the, what you feel in your heart about investing in something, right? Like, I know you're 9-to-5 worker guys, so you probably don't get it, but make sure, so I'm going to say it this way, make sure that whatever you buy, whatever crypto you buy, is partnered with major corporations or major governments. So, for instance, this thing here, I mean, this doesn't really count, but I'm just going to say it. It doesn't count. But SOA Labs is the one who's going to do the thing for Stuttgart's stock exchange. I know that SOA isn't a crypto company, but that's what I mean. I mean, if there is a crypto that's partnered like that, buy it. I mean, I'm not telling you to do your money, but what I'm just saying is that it's a good buy investment. There we go. I'm not telling you to go get it just because it is, but that's what I would classify as quality investments for my cryptocurrency warehouse. I don't put bullshit in my warehouse. My warehouse is filled with quality goods. My warehouse is filled. See what I'm saying? Here comes the weed. My cryptocurrency thing is warehouse is filled with quality products. Yeah, working products. Actually being used today, motherfucker. I don't give a fuck about your shit. Your fucking nonsense thing you want to build. Yeah, when it's doing something, well, now it is economically viable. Like now, now you've entered the real world, like, I don't give a fuck if you're just some little kid in his home with some fucking little blockchain. All right? All right, brothers. So, however, it is expected that as the blockchain ecosystem matures, more partnerships will ensure between traditional businesses and startups. Will ensue between traditional businesses and startups when they develop proof of concepts that are practical and relevant to today's economy. Exactly. And that's what I talk to you guys about. What do I talk to you guys about? How many times do I got to tell you about IOTA? I mean, do you know any of these names, people? Have you ever heard of the United Nations? Hold on. Have you ever heard of the United Nations? Really? Of course you have. Have you ever heard of Volkswagen? Have you ever heard of a company called Microsoft? Have you ever heard of a company called Audi? Do you know what a smart city is? Like, come on, man. Have you ever heard of a company called Fujitsu? Fujitsu is going to use IOTA as their IoT, Internet of Things, devices protocol. Bang. Look. Just saying. What's the point, though? Hold on, man, guys. See, this is the weed. This is the problem, guys. This is the bullshit I'm talking to you about. I can't keep this on a... All right. So, guys, that's the IOTA stuff. That's what I've been telling you about, all right? And so, I don't tell you what to buy, but I do give you my opinion, and it's not going to hurt. The more IOTA you have in your cryptocurrency portfolio, bang! When the institutional investors arrive, bang, bang, bang. Yes, it's not going to hurt. It won't hurt. Yes. All right then, brothers. Here we go. Bang. Oh, yes. All right then. That's how it's got to go down tonight. That's how it's going down tonight. I understand now. Look, guys. Binance. You're going to be able to buy crypto with your credit cards, and I'm sure it's debit card too. I mean, just anything with a with a Visa or MasterCard logo on it, you should be good to go. So look. Three cryptos are available for purchase on Binance exchange using MasterCard, Visa, debit card, or credit cards. Bang. Look at, you see all the blue? Yeah, I had done that when I was talking to you guys the last time Oh, when you see this, hold on, let me show you. Fuck this. Let me show you guys this. This is what I keep talking to you guys about. Yeah. Christine Lagarde, she's urging the banks. She's the IMF chief. She's urging the banks to create their own cryptocurrencies. That's what I've been telling you about. I never bring up the article, but that's funny. It was sitting right there. We're not going to read it, though. We're not going to read it. We're not going to get into that. Look. Getting a little hungry. Look. I got to go eat. But look, we're going to get... how many more do I have of these? Oh, the Binance. All right. So look. The Binance exchange, the leading crypto exchange in the world, yes, has availed 3 cryptocurrencies to be purchased using MasterCard and Visa cards on its platform. In a press release, the Binance Exchange CEO, Changpeng Zhao, also known as CZ, said that the crypto industry is still in its early stages, and most of the world's money is in fiat. Building fiat gateways, ways to get people to get their, I mean, come on, dudes, but whatever, to get their regular money to crypto is what we need to grow the ecosystem, increase adoption, and introduce crypto to more users. There you go, CZ. The introduction of a crypto credit card payment. Oh, all right. Sorry. What is it? The introduction of a credit card payment option on the platform was a result of a successful partnership between the Binance Exchange and Simplex, a leading Israeli-based firm. Oh, Israel. They're rocking with the IT. There's America, Europe, and Israel. They're the IT guys. Holy. Hold on. All right, guys. Blah, 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 blah. Process solution. So, to begin with, what was I talking about? What have I always told you about? What have I been preaching to you lately? To begin with, the Binance Exchange will allow what? Bitcoin, bang. Ethereum, bang. And Litecoin. Why have I been telling you to get your fucking large caps, brothers? Get your large caps. I've been telling you. They're classified as securities already, man. Once the SEC classified them as securities, the whole world is like, good to go. Like, come on. The whole planet, Earth. You know, this planet you live on. But like I talked about, what was it, a couple days ago, right? I was like, look. Yeah, Bitcoin goes up, everything goes up. But those coattails are only so long. Those coattails where all these other coins are going to be able to ride on Bitcoin's coattails. Those coattails are only so long, brothers. Those coattails are only so long. Look. So, you got to get that large cap right now. But bang, bang, bang. When you got working product in the small caps, you'll be good to go. So, what does this guy say? Oh, fuck all that bullshit. So, look. However, the Binance Exchange is seemingly interested with getting as many people to trade crypto as possible by providing easy payment methods. Exactly, of course. For example, in 2018, Binance launched in Uganda, supporting the Uganda shilling on its platform. Now, a Uganda shilling doesn't mean Uganda was shilling. That's the name of their money. All right? It's called a Uganda shilling. It's like the olden... Oh, my gosh. All right, hold on. I got to calm down. One second. See, this is what happens. Fuck. It's knocked over camera and shit. Not the main one, though, but look. All right, so what were we where were we at? The shilling. Where are we at here? What? Oh, there we go. What? Look. Anyways, they did their shit with you. I don't even know where we are. Oh, there we are. See, guys, I told you this is what would happen. So the Uganda shilling on its platform, and it was the first to exchange, bang, was touching fiat. Yeah, do you see that? They took fiat currency first, Binance, in where? Uganda. That's interesting. And remember we read about, oh man, I had so many stories for you guys today. Dash is doing some new shit. Remember we read about Dash, how they just rock whole countries? Yo, they're rocking another one. That's probably going to be tomorrow, man. And then Dash was part of the ones that was rocking Uganda. Yo, Dash, they're sneaky. They're just quietly, they sew up whole countries, right? The citizens of the countries. It's interesting. So anyways, at the beginning of this month, Binance Exchange launched on the island of Jersey, where it supports the euro and the British pound against the two public currencies or coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Bang. Is it more anymore? All right. Bang. All right. Bang. Let's get this over with. Holy. I already did this, man. Fuck, this is annoying. Nasdaq to roll out to roll out surveillance for tech for 7 cryptocurrency exchanges. You see how it's already highlighted in blue? That's when I thought I was talking to you. I thought I was banging you guys over there. But we're going to bang again. Probably deeper. Well, I don't know. But the world's second largest stock exchange, Nasdaq, is set to roll out its proprietary surveillance technology for 7 cryptocurrency exchanges to detect cases of fraud that are rampant in the virtual currency space. Remember, that's the whole problem, right? Like, that's why Gemini backed to them are getting hassle, or all of these ETFs and futures are getting hassle, is because why? Because the SEC is like, look, there's all this fraud, there's all this market manipulation, terrorist financing, and crap like that, right? And so they don't approve them. Yeah, well, here we go. They're giving it to 7 of them, and let's listen to this. Nasdaq has not revealed the complete list. They haven't told us all the 7 that they're going to do. But look. The only crypto exchanges confirmed, though, to receive the technology are what? Bang! And bang! Look. Gemini, what have we been talking about around these parts for a little bit? Look. Those Winklevoss brothers bending over backwards. What did we read the other day? What did we read the other day about them? These motherfuckers, yeah, one step ahead. Because they got the blah, 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 number 2 certification. SOT 2. Look over. What do you call that? Test. And they passed. And then they gave me the SOC 2 Part 2 test. Bang. Leg. An increase in number of cryptocurrency exchanges will look to adapt such a surveillance system to bring more transparency and increase adoption. Yeah. So all right. So I'm going to say this later, though, if I fucking remember. Prior to the confirmation of the client exchanges, a 20-person team from Nasdaq performs a stringent due diligence process. I taught you about due diligence. Yeah, you have to know who the fuck you're dealing with, right? That's due diligence. If you give me $1 billion and I just go invest it and then that money gets blown, the company just, I have to prove, and then you can sue me. I have to prove, man, it was legit. It was looking good. It had this, that, and a judge can decide whether, nah, dude, that's called due diligence, all right? All right. So, due diligence to process, access, blah, blah. All right. Settle down, Shmari. NASDAQ performs a stringent due diligence process to assess the recipient, to identify whether the crypto exchanges are technically adept and morally right for this technology. NASDAQ just doesn't give their shit to anyone. It reflects on their product. So they put you through a stringent, I think they said it, a stringent thing, test. But, they send lawyers in, they send accountants in, they send probably a little bunch of tech nerds in to see if your system works. Like all they, they audit you. They inspect you, and then if you're up to par, well, look, then you get it. But if not, they're like, all right, come back later. Just like the SEC. So just like there we go. Just like the SEC, right? You have to go through those approvals. Not go through approvals. That's the wrong word. Those are the wrong words. But you have to, all the concerns of the SEC, you have to allay those concerns. You have to show them, oh, don't worry, I know about this. Oh, don't worry, I can handle the money laundering. Oh, don't worry, I can handle the price discovery and all that. Bang. All right, you get it. Yes, brothers. All right. Tony CEO, an executive of the Market Surveillance Division of Nasdaq, addressed the issue on January 30th. He also spoke about the concerns that cryptocurrency exchanges have faced for a long time and how the overall financial industry will react. He said, historically, we don't do such large vetting. Yeah, they're dealing with normal people, so they vet the fuck out of these crypto things to approve them. But such a large vetting process for our clients. Oh, all right, let me start over. Historically, we don't do such a large vetting process for our clients because they are much more well-known. But as we started working with less well-known names, startups, then we realized, shit, we needed to do this check process. And that's what I tell you. You know what I mean? Look. It's how it goes, right? Like, come on. You understand, right? They had to do, man, I'm still stoned. Look, right? They had to do full compliance checks so that the institutional investors, know who they can, they won't be sued. So if they invest in this market and lose all the money, they can't be sued by their clients for lack of, what do you call this? For lack of, for lack of due diligence, because that's what these guys do. You understand? That's how it works. And so, CEO further categorized the companies that are listed on these cryptocurrency exchanges in the following: business model, KYC, AML. So that's KYC, AML means know your client. AML means anti-money laundering. And exchange governance, how it's run and controls, who gets to do what. Nasdaq is extremely selective regarding which exchange will receive the surveillance program. Yeah, they just don't let it to everybody. That's what I mean. Like, it's not like, yeah, they need money. They're the Nasdaq. They don't need the money. They need the name recognition. With sign confirming that the stock exchange has a team of legal and technical experts that evaluated the risk. All right, and then we're going into all the criteria. I'm not going into all that. So the two revealed exchanges that Nasdaq has actually said, yes, we will allow you to use our shit. You have to understand shit. When you've got shit that's that good, I will allow you to have it. You know what I mean? It's not, I'm desperate and I need money and please buy it. There are a lot of companies out there that their shit is so good, they're just like, look. If you meet my standards, I will allow you to have it. Do you understand? So, the two revealed exchanges, Gemini and SBI Holdings, have worked with Nasdaq before. And obviously, that's why Nasdaq is allowing them to have it. So, those are the two. But remember what we're looking at. Nasdaq said what? There are 7. Who are the other 5? Yo. Who are the other 5 that Nasdaq has let suck the dick? All right. My bad. It's inappropriate. Look, Who are the other 5? You wanted me to smoke. Well, here it comes, fuck sticks. Who are the other 5 that Nasdaq said, look, you're good to go? Because when Nasdaq says you're good to go, I guarantee the SEC says you're good to go. I guarantee you the all right, CFTC, my bad, says you're good to go. Look. I'm just saying. All right, guys. So let's finish this up. Man. This is getting a little crazy. Look. Where are we? Oh, yes. So the 2 revealed exchanges, bang, Gemini and SBI, had worked with Nasdaq before. So that's why they're getting their regulations approved, because, well, the Nasdaq knows who the hell these guys are. Worked with Nasdaq before. SBI VC has been using Nasdaq's matching system since June 2018, and the Winklevoss twins, Gemini Exchange, has been using the stock exchange's smart market surveillance system since April 2018. Yes. In addition to the above, Nasdaq is all set to launch the Bitcoin futures in the first half. Oh, exactly. So VanEck ETF thing they just reapplied for, but VanEck is the partner of Nasdaq with this ETF that's coming out in what? Bang! In when? Bang! First half of 2019, with an official date of release not yet confirmed. However, Nasdaq faces stiff competition. Yes, in the institutional investors space from the New York Stock Exchange, the largest stock exchange in the world, with the launch of Backed, bang, a digital asset program backed by the Intercontinental Exchange, ICE. So this guy said, the last Tony CEO, to finish it off, he said, the objective that we're trying to work with crypto is we see this as a growing asset class. So we're working to help provide our technology. It could be around what? It could be around matching, sales. It could be around surveillance to help our customers as they grow their marketplaces. Bang. So there we go. Nasdaq is coming in. And like we talked about, Nasdaq is offering the futures. Where is that? They're offering the Bitcoin futures the first half of 2019. Bang! And that's the one with VanEck. And that's what we need. We need physically settled futures. I don't give a fuck. Not that I don't give a fuck about an ETF, but it's not going to help. All right? So let's get the shout outs and airdrops. Bang! All right. Bang! Let's see what we got here. IOTA. Bang! See you, brother. Max, see you, brother. Bang! The hell? Oh, he's a ripple or something. I don't know. What do we got? Who do we got? These are guys I was just talking to about ripples. John Sanchez, bang, see you, brother. Rhubarb, see you, brother. Bang. Alex, see you, brother. Bang. Radoslav, bang, see you, brother. He's a developer with JavaScript. Yes. Ocean End, see you, guy. Bang. Actually, these are just guys that I was arguing with about Ripple. But now we enter the true nature of the beast. The true nature of the beast has revealed itself. Welcome, Justin. Bang. Bang, Justin. Love you, brother. I love Justin. And so this is the airdrop that I gave you guys. My name's Airdrop 777. Bang. Yeah, that's also me. But I just do airdrops from that shit. I don't do it from here. I want all that bullshit up in my Twitter feed. Look, Crypto Times. Bang. See you, brother. Oh, look at this list of people here. There we go. Unidax. Bang. Son of a bitch. Wrong case. Bang. What's up, sweetie? Crypto Bridgie. Bang, bang, bang. This son of a bitch again. He knows I know who he is. Bang. 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 Son of a bitch. The darkness has arrived again. Settle down, Justin. Settle down. Lack. Bob, go get those airdrops. 8441320. Bang. And look at our brother Pollywood. Poppywood now, I guess his name is. All right. Yo, he's talking about some Jay-Z. Jay-Z and Tron. What? Jay-Z might rock some shit, so come over here. Bang. And check out that Jay-Z shit. Look. What's our shit right here? What's my thing right here? What's my thing right here? What? Oh. What? I can't even change the views. Oh, this is some fucked up bullshit. I wanted to show you guys. So we're not even going to get... Really? All right, that's how it's going to go. All right. Go there at CB Newswire. That's the fucking Twitter for this channel. All right, guys? Yo. See, when I had to do this over again, man, I got angry. I got stupid. And you see what's happening? I told you guys I'd probably fuck up the cameras. I just fucked it up. I can't even fucking move the cameras now properly. All right, Pollywood and all these guys. Yeah, man, Shmari, smoke some weed. Yeah, well, look at what happens now. Fuck. I love you guys anyway. Lack. I don't care. It's your show. You're the one watching it. You got to watch this bullshit now. I do care because I want it to be proper. But lack. Pollywood, bang. Or Poppy. All right. So let's see. I can't even get you back to your wives and lives because I can't move the camera. Can I? Hold on. I can try through this. Let me see. Oh, you see, you son of a bitches. You can't stop me. Lack. I'm going to get you back to your wives' lives. Bang. Let's chill and kill it. Guys, subscribe below. Lack. It's been a good time. Look, we had a good night tonight. We had a fucking good night tonight. Right? Where's our shit? I mean, I can't show you it because the buttons aren't working anymore. But what did we talk about? We talked about, oh, yeah, Van Eck. They're reapplying with the SEC to list Bitcoin exchange traded fund. Bang. Number one. Can you guys see this? Let me see this. All right. Yeah. I'm not going to deal with that tonight. I'm stoned. I'll probably fuck it all up. Germany. Bang. Stuttgart. What did we learn about, brothers? We've already known about Stuttgart from last year. End-to-end solutions. Van Brienen. Yes. The Germans. End-to-end solutions, brothers. End-to-end solutions for us. All right, what else we got? Right, and then we had Binance. Bang, they're going to bring out, and what I tell you guys, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum. And so for real, to be real about it, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, those are the ones that, you know, they're already classified as, here in America, as commodities. And let's get real, the whole world looks at what we do here in America. And our tax guys, the IRS, they've already said that Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum are going to be taxed as property. So we have what's called regulatory clarity on those three already. They're on the Bloomberg terminal. I mean, come on, buddies. If you don't understand that, but just we have regulatory clarity already on those three. And that's why I've been preaching, kind of saying, get those, lately, because we're so far down, like we're at I think we're at a floor. And so anything through here will blow through the price of your floor. So here's the floor. Maybe you buy some shit here. Yeah, price is going to blow through it, right? And if you've been here with me, you should have been buying on the dips. But whatever, if you didn't. I know, it's scary. I know. Steve, Devin, are you still with us, brother? Evan, are you still with us? Put a comment in. Show me that you're still with us, man. These guys were guys. But yeah, it'll blow through. And so I'm actually going to tell you a little strategy that I'm going to do. Right now, I'm waiting just to see a slight uptick. And then I'm going to buy so much down here at the bottom that when price blows through, yeah, it's going to cover my losses for all of that shit that I did above. And it'll just keep going up and up and up. I mean, we know that. We know that already. And we'll just make more and more and more. Do you understand what I'm saying? All right. I think this is the bottom, and that's why I'm going to make an extra effort. I'm going to put in extra money right now at the bottom so that when price blows through, yeah, all the losses I've made from all that, yeah, it's covered. So I'm at break even at the first breakthrough. Actually, I'm already kind of almost at break even, but we're breaking even at the first breakthrough. I'm talking more for you guys. Like, you're breaking even at the first breakthrough because you put so much in at the bottom. Bang. When price breaks through, you're at break even for all that shit you lost all the way. And then as price just keeps breaking through buy area after buy area, you know, that's your price targets. That's how you're going to get loaded, all right? So, guys, I love you guys. Bang. If that made sense, I hope that made some sort of sense. All right, I'm going to talk to you guys tomorrow about ROR, rate of return. So we have ROI, return on investments, but your rate of return, what is your, all right, what's your rate of return? Fuck it, let's just talk. What's your rate of return? All right? In other words, a Bitcoin, I think in 5 years will be $200,000. So the rate of return through that 2 years will be whatever it's going to be. I don't know what it's going to be. Obviously, I'm not a fortune teller. I mean, I do believe it's going to get there. But what's the rate of return? Now. All right. So we're going to have to. Shit. But I can't even show you. Oh, it's working again. Oh, here we go. Oh, no, it's not working. Shit. All right. So your rate of return, like say so on a VeChain or on an IOTA or on a Stellar. All right, Ripple lovers, you too. Right? When things escalate, is it better to put, all right, so let me put it this way. Is it better to put 4,000 in one Bitcoin? Or is it better to put 4,000? Hold on. All right, let's do this. Is it better to put 4,000? Yes, Ripple lovers, here we come. Is it better to put 4,000 for you in Ripples? In other words, your rate of return. In other words, are your Ripples going to return to you? In other words, every penny you put into any currency is just a penny. Now, what is it going to return for you? Are you going to get, you could say, well, the return on investment, but your rate of return. So I'm looking at rate of return in that I don't want to be in this market forever. I'm not going to bullshit you. I want to retire from all this market shit. That's what I use all this crypto crap for. I'm like, wow, this is such a blessing. I'm going to murder it. And I'm going to get out of markets and just live. You know, buy my plane, buy my houses and just fly around and have fun. But so for me, rate of return means I want by 2022 to have a certain amount of money. So I have a target price, a price target, right? That's rate of return. Or you can have ROI, which is your return on investment. How much do you want to return on investment? Do you understand what I'm saying, guys? So I want to be out of this market quick. That's me. I'm 44 years old. I want to be out. Right? Whereas maybe you're younger. Well, let me not get crazy. I want to sell the cryptocurrency warehouse, get out, but I'm still going to have newer products that come in I'm always going to be investing. I mean, that's not going to stop. But just in terms of financial peace of mind to get out. Do you understand? All right. Let's just chill this and kill this and get you out of here, man. I'm sorry, guys. Look, bang. I'm not sorry. Do you understand what I'm saying, though? So rate of return, right. So would it be better for you to buy one Bitcoin so one Bitcoin is what? $3,500? Or would it be better you put $3,500 in the VeChain, IOTA, Stellar? What's that one? The one I hate. Not the one I hate, but the people. Anyways, that other one, XRP, Ripple. Yeah, your rate of return. So if you put, so here's Ripple, and here's Bitcoin, here's Ripple. If you put $4,000 in Bitcoin or $4,000 in Ripple, all right, let's just get to a real thing. Let me get to a real thing. Here's Bitcoin and here's IOTA. If you put money in 4,000 in, or what is it, 3 and change in Bitcoin, or you put all that 3 and change in IOTA, which one will grow faster when these institutional investors get here? And that is rate of return. Rate of return. And that's sort of what I am investing in or on. That's the concept I'm investing on here in cryptocurrency blockchain news is I'm investing on rate of return. And that's why I'm so stringent and so, has to have a working product, has to have major partnerships, because a lot of these cryptos, they're going to make money over time. Remember, it's not over, right? This is going to be forever. Well, not forever, but these cryptos are going to be upgrading their mainnets and all that. I'm not here for all your upgrades and all your stuff. I'm here to make a fast rate of return. And that's what you're watching. When you watch cryptocurrency blockchain news, the opinions I give you are for a fast rate of return. In other words, I told you guys next year, 2020, I want to start taking out money. Yeah, because those are big boy business. That's fast rate of return. I want a fast rate of return. I'm not sitting around here in this crypto. I mean, I'll be here in crypto till my dying days, probably. But in terms of this cryptocurrency warehouse that I'm building, it's built for fast rate of return, not just the ROI, but the ROI is a big thing. The return on investment is a big thing, but the ROR, the rate of return. When the institutional investors get here, they're going to look at products that are working with multiple Fortune 500 companies, and that's going to give you your rate of return. Do you understand? So your crypto, your Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum are going to give you that's because they're commodities. They're going to be upfront. That'll give you your money up front. But then when it gets into investing deeper, into this regular crypto now, rate of return is where you need to focus your mind, which is going to give me the fastest. That's how I focus my mind. I don't know. But I'm not going to tell you what to do with your money. It's it's your stuff. I just give you my opinion, but my opinion is rate of return is the next thing. And the more partnerships whatever cryptocurrency you invested in, the more partnerships they have, is the faster your rate of return will be. Bang, brothers. I love you guys so much. Look, my name's Smart Clark. I love doing this. It's the favorite time of my fucking day. Look. It's Smart Clark. Bang. Understand that. Return on investments, rate of return, though. I want to invest in things that are going to give me a large. All right. You want to even continue? Let's go. Just my opinion. I don't tell you what to do with your money. Your VeChain, your IOTA, Stratus. Yeah, look at the market caps on that. Nowhere. Yeah, but look at all those motherfucking partnerships. Those partnerships don't reflect the true value of those companies. Now, I'm not dissing. I know we got Ripple Army lovers and all that. All right, so let me not say this. Let me say it this way. But there are a few blockchains out there whose market caps are huge. It doesn't reflect the value of what the fuck they're doing. They're doing nothing. Meanwhile, Stratus, VeChain, IOTA, and there's probably others I'm not mentioning, who are doing so much, but it's not reflected in the price. It's not reflected in their market cap, which is good for you as the investor. Because why? Because when these guys come in, they're not fucking stupid. They know, they're going to know who's doing what. And when they see that, when they see, these cryptos partnered with major Fortune 500 companies, they're not going to hesitate. That's what they're going to buy. And that's what I want you to understand, rate of return. And let me tell you something. These companies that, I know, they're not on all these websites and everything. They're not so sexy. But let me tell you, your rate of return on those, look, you buy a Bitcoin right now, it'll go maybe, 10 times, 50 times more in the next couple of years. You invest in stuff that has a great rate of return. Amazing partnerships. Oh, the hiccups are gone. Amazing partnerships. Solid use cases. It's going to be like 2017 all over again. Bang! 1,000 times up. Bang! 2,000 times up. You understand? And that's your rate of return. Do you get it? Rate of return. Your Bitcoins will go up 10 times. All right, that's your rate. But also the time period it takes for it to go up. Your rate of return on those ones that I'm talking about are going to be fast and furious. Fast and furious. All right, brothers. So, do you get it? I hope you guys get that. I've been wanting to say that to you guys for a long time, but I just keep forgetting because I don't know why, but man, I just keep forgetting. So, but I'm glad I got that out. Rate of return. So, I do keep talking to you guys about getting your large caps right now, and that's going to be more ROI. In other words, you can hold that for a minute, and you're going to get ROI, return on investment. I'm in this market to get return on investment, but coupled with a fast, there it is. How fast do you want your ROI? How fast do you want to, when do you want to cash out of this place? So I'm invested in stuff that's going to give me a fast ROR, return on investment, so I can cash out quickly with a fat ROI. Oh, sorry. All right, let me say that again. I'm invested in stuff that's going to be a fast ROR, rate of return, bang, which is going to give me a fast ROI, return on investment. And that's kind of what I'm trying to preach to you guys here without all that technical terms I just told you. But that's what's going to occur for you, if you buy working product and stuff like that. All right, so guys, now let's chill and kill it. All right. Look. Let me tell you something. If you're new here, old guys here, whatever, you guys know. You have to follow this from logo to logo. You have to follow this. Watch these shows from beginning to end. You see what I'm saying? Just because I say it's time for shoutouts and airdrops, you see that shit I just said? That's how it goes down around here. Sometimes. Look. I'm fueled, all right? It's not a news station. This isn't some professional shit. It's just a trader talking to you. And so there is sort of a format, tell you what the stories are. Let's look over the markets, tell you a couple stories, shout outs and airdrops, then you know what I mean? This shit gets down. So you have to watch from logo to logo. The cryptocurrency blockchain logo. When you get that bang, cryptocurrency blockchain is the best cryptocurrency, blah, 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 whatever I say. You got to watch from that logo, bang, to that last one. And man, you'll get this shit, all right? Because I talk some shit. So, but let's chill it and kill it. Bang. Subscribe below. Press that bell. ROR, brothers. ROR, rate of return. Your head isn't just for holding your hair. Poppy Wood, I know you love that one, so that's why I brought it up. That's one of my favorite sayings. Your head is not just for holding your hair. Use it. Invest wisely. ROR, rate of return. How fast are you going to make the money? Look, I'm trying to get out of here fast. If you're into your... All right, I'm not going to... Look. All right. Just rate of return. If you want to get out of here fast, make sure that your cryptos are invested in major corporations, major partnerships. You make millions right away. Now, if you're in this more for the love of it or something like your Cardanos, your Moneros, and all that, go for it. Platform tokens do. We'll see how those pan out. But bang! All right, brothers, I love you guys. Mwah! Bang! No homo. Look, subscribe, press the bell. Get your automatic update, and luck, get back to your wives and lives. For real this time. Shit. Bang. Love you guys. This is Shamar Clark. I'm always on duty. Bang. Over and out.